Hi there, welcome to Lars Loves. Today I'm going to be using mixed media to alter my journal cover and to create a coordinating pencil board to use inside. If that sounds like fun to you, please stick around. Go ahead and press pause if you need to grab something to jot a couple notes on. Thanks for being here. Hey guys, hope everybody is enjoying the video. I wanted to let you know I will include down below all the information for the products I used in this video, and I just wanted to explain the steps that you see going on. First, I applied the gesso and let it dry, and it dries pretty fast. Then I used Mod Podge, glossy, that's all I had, to apply my cardstock. And I ripped the edges of the cardstock first, and I think I inked them as well a little bit before. I think I thought of that on the second side. And so it is easier if you start your inking process, if you want to do that. Go ahead and start your inking on the paper before you apply it. You'll get a nice edge that way. You can still do it afterwards once it's on there, like I did. And then once your paper's on with your Mod Podge, you want to let that dry. Oh, before that, you want to squeeze out with a brayer and a scraper, squeeze out all your excess Mod Podge. And back to the video. Okay, so I trimmed off some edges with the razor and the safety ruler very slowly and carefully. Please be so careful with that. I like that ruler with the ledge that pops up and it protects your hand that's holding the ruler down. I was very happy to find that. So after checking over the project, I noticed, as you saw, I still needed to fill in some of the edges with Mod Podge, and again, get the excess out and touch it up a little bit that way, and wrap it with the cardstock lightly and cover with those Mod Podge bottles just to keep it secure. And once that was satisfactory, I decided I want to try to put this library pocket in the book somewhere. And these stickers and information booklet all came with this journal. There's a nice gusseted pocket that they fit in the back, and it also has these two awesome ribbon book holders. So there's the gusset there.
I learned my right from wrong on a song. I let my heart bleed on my sleeve through microphones. I'm trying to right my wrongs by writing out my wrongs. Ran through a check cause it's hard to live off bread alone. So if you see me slipping, yeah, let me know. Cause it ain't the end of times yet, I know, but it's getting close. Yeah, I need my space to breathe, that's why I be going ghost. I ain't trying to stay up on that wide road, cause I can't let them take my soul. Nah, no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul. Nah, no. I can't let them take my soul. Nah, no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul. Nah, no. They thinking I'm bluffing, but I promise I do it. That K got a drum, like murder and booming. Sending you vert, if I get my little Uzi. They thinking I'm crazy, I'm gon' see you the haters. People I'm saying, get what I'm painting. A picture big, I call it little baby. If I'm on the board, then we playing chess. If you on my way, you gon' need a vest. Act big, you might get stretched. All your gun talk, I ain't impressed. My 45 seen real traffic. That's Dallas, Texas. My little partner called a body for a Maserati. He told him get about the car, hit him with the shotty. That 12 gauge, gave him life in the 12th grade. I tried to write him, but we ain't on the same page. I caught him slipping, I just had to let him know. It ain't the end of times yet, I know, but it's getting close. These demons really out to get you, so you better guard your post. There's certain things I could probably let go, but I can't let them take my soul. Nah, no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul. Nah, no. I can't let them take my soul. Nah, no. Oh, I know. Yeah. Oh, I can't let them take my soul. No. Yeah. I can't let them take my soul. Nah, no. Oh, I can't let him take my soul. Nah, no. See, we was cool right before it hit the fence, but it hit the fan when I got him down at the bench. When I took a break, I had to leave and go get cleansed. God forgive me for all my sins. I can't say these cause my last name ain't Kent. Cooking on the stove, that's the way he paid the rent. Working on the pole, that's the way she pays tuition. Better watch your soul, cause you know they trying to get it. Yeah. I learned my right from wrong on a song. I let my heart bleed on my sleeve through microphones. I'm trying to right my wrongs by writing out my wrongs. Ran through a check, cause it's hard to live off bread alone. So if you see me slipping, yeah, let me know. Cause it ain't the end of times yet, I know, but it's getting close. Yeah, I need my space to breathe, that's why I be going ghost. I ain't trying to stay up on that wide road, cause I can't let them take my soul.
Okay, so we're coming very close to the end here. I hope you are enjoying this process and it's inspiring you somehow creatively to do a project maybe you've been thinking about. But anyway, you can see on the back of the book, I decided to put a little flower antique applique, and I used the Mod Podge for photos because that's washable, and I thought it might work better with fabric. I don't really know. I'm just experimenting and learning myself. So, and that's the ink that I used when I did my antiquing. The Tim Holtz Distress ink walnut stain. And I actually used the ink pad itself, which you probably saw during the video. I actually just went right onto the edges with the ink pad itself. It's not a very new ink pad, so now I'm going to use the same method on this pocket and put that in the journal. And that's about it. If you have any other questions or are interested in seeing any other projects or planners or anything else related, let me know. Thanks again for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.